In this video, I'll show you how to enable Preview in File Explorer. It's really easy and simple. All you need to do is this, okay? Come here, at the top options, you'll see View. I want you to come here and click on a View, okay? And this will give you a bunch of different options. So what you need to do is just click on this one. This is the Preview Pane, okay? And the shortcut for this, the keyboard shortcuts are Alt plus P. You can also go ahead and press that on your keyboard. So if I just toggle this one on, look at this, guys. We're able to preview all of the different files. So if I click on this image, I can preview this. If I, click on this Word document, I can preview this Word document. Let me zoom in, right? And of course, you can even make this bigger, just like this. So you can do that. This is especially powerful with PDFs. So let me show you. So let's say I open up this PDF in the Preview Pane. I just click on this. And if I just enlarge this, I can basically read the PDF right here. And look at this. I can literally scroll down. Shows me how many pages there. I can literally scroll down right here and check out all my PDFs, right? And there you go, guys. Really that easy and simple.